Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today's video is going to showcase some much watched trending hairstyle ideas. So if you would like to keep up with the trends and you want your hair to stay trendy, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up so that you can stay on top of all of the hair trends that this video will be filled with. So first up, we have one of my personal favorite hair color trends, and that is bold red hair. We're seeing so many different variations of red this season, and it's really all about finding a color that goes with your complexion. Next up, we have this stylist doing another trendy style with the ponytail look. So if you don't have long hair yourself, you can of course rock out the ponytail trend by adding in some hair extensions. So it looks like he is doing a nice sleek ponytail for this look. Oh, he did the 90s inspired knot ponytail there with a bun. Very cute. And then we have a hair transformation. So we have someone rocking out some long strands, and they decided to switch it up with a nice tousled shoulder length bob. Next up, we have a hair color change. Beautiful Barbie pink. You guys know that if you've been following this channel for a while, Barbie pink hair is a huge hair color trend right now. Very pretty, and we're seeing many different variations with this particular color as well. This looks like a nice subtle variation. Very nice. Ooh, look at that color change. Now this is a play on that color blocking trend. Now I'm starting to see the color blocking trend more and more. And I think it's going to be a huge trend that we're going to be seeing in 2024. Looks like she mainly did the color blocking with the bangs. Now this is a great way to play into the world of color, a nice way to mix it up by doing something different, a little bit more bold. Okay, so she's got the dark hair in the back and then in the bangs mixed in as well. Hopefully she turns around and we get to see the bangs again. And then we have someone who decided to switch it up by going a bright blonde. Beautiful, nice little color refresh. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you to check out the rest of these trending hairstyle ideas.